Hi everyone, welcome back to Java 1 for All. Let's continue our inheritance topic, and now we are going to give one special scenario where we would like to access the things from the employee like they were inside the manager. What do I mean? Imagine that you would like to have a kind of a report, and in this report is like a print, but you would like to say that someone, for example, the employee and the name of employee received a salary. Now, the employee from the department right here, received a salary of, and the amount that we have available in the employee. So basically, if you do something like this, let's create a method here, public void payment report. So you want to print like the employee, and you would like the name of the employee. So as you saw in the print, usually we use this dot name. But the problem is, name is private. You do have access to the name at the runtime, but you do not have access to the name right here, right now. So you cannot use this because it's private in the employee. And remember, when it is private, nobody outside this class can see it. But the object will have access through the inheritance. But, well, we do have another option. For example, we could get here this.getName from the department plus this.department, and then plus, if you add here another string and you press enter to continue the next line, Java will add, or if you don't add this, if you just press enter, now add plus and press enter, there you go. So you can continue in the next line. Java will take care of that for you. So this the employee, this.getName from the department, received a salary of, and then this dot get salary. So I'm using this dot get name, this dot get salary. I do have available. Why? Because they are public. So in my employee class, I can see that all of the getters and setters, they are public, so I can access them anywhere. But ideally, this is an attribute that kind of belongs to manager as well, because manager is an employee, but I have to access through get. So it's kind of ugly. Is there a better way? Yes. We just have to change the access modifier. So far, we know public and private, and this new one is called protected. So basically, I would just hold the mouse wheel and select all of them and change to protected. So the rule for the protected is all subclasses, it doesn't matter where they can access the attributes like they are public. So if I come here to my manager, now I can say this dot name and also this dot salary. So even though they are not here in the class because of the access modifier is protected, I can access them. Second rule is all the other classes in the same package can do the same, even if they are not subclasses. So for example, here, if I create another method, just as an example, public void print. So employee from package inheritance, you can see that I can access the name directly, like it is public. Why? Because I am the same package. So first rule, any subclass, it doesn't matter where it is, package wise, I can access like they are public directly the attribute, and all the classes in the same package, no matter if they are subclass or not, they can access the attribute directly. Now, if I come back here to my my manager, I can add this payment report, and then inside my inheritance, if I execute now, I have just need to give one space right here, and maybe one space right here. I have the report. Now, just to have as an example, if I create here another class inside the test, you don't have to do it, just to show you, manager2, and manager2 is also an employee from package inheritance, public void print, you will be able to see this dot name. So I am outside the package, but since this class is a subclass, I can access. Now I'm going to delete. Now if I come here to inheritance, it's not possible to access. For example, if I try to access employee dot name, you can do it because it's not available to classes that are not subclasses and are in a different package than the original class. So this is everything that I had to tell you in this video. Pretty short, but we still have more stuff to talk about regarding inheritance. So let's continue in the next video. Bye.